Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. This is your science lesson, and in today's lesson, we'll start unit number 2, that is the animal world. Unit number 1, 3, and 5 is not included in your syllabus, so we'll do only 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right? So let's start the animal world. When you move somewhere, when you walk somewhere, you see there are different types of animals. And you are familiar that there are different types of animals. Some animals are very tall, some are small, some are very powerful, and some are weak. Nature has created different animals according to their habitat, where they are living. So they can be powerful, they can run fast, they have long neck, they have different specifications according to the place where they are living, how they can get their food. They have sharp teeth, they have wider teeth. So all different things vary in different animals, because the way how different animals get their food are different. Some animals feed on plants. Some animals feed on other animals. So some animals are herbivores and some are carnivores, right? So depending upon the type of way they are getting food, how they will get their food or how they survive in specific environment, their body features are developed according to that environment or the way they are getting food. Clear? So some animals are small, like you have seen some insects, some are crawling animals, some are very tall animals, some have a very loud voice, they can run very fast, and some are weak elements, they look so fragile. So when we study animals, we cannot study these animals randomly. We have to classify them so we can study them properly. If you start studying animals without dividing them into different groups, if you start studying them randomly, then you will get confused that which animal is having which one property, and the other animals, how they are surviving, or what are the properties those animals are having, what are the features those animals are having. Okay? So it is very necessary to divide the animals into different groups based on some similar properties or some common features. If the animals you are studying, they have some common features, so you can place those animals in one group. ठीक है? अगर आप animals को study कर रहे हो, let's say you have 5 to 6 animals, and out of those 5 to 6 animals, 3 or 4 animals are having same features. तो आप उन 3 to 4 animals को एक ग्रुप में रख दोगे, और जो रिमेनिंग 2 to 3 animals होंगे उनको आप सेपरेट ग्रुप में रख दोगे. ठीक है? So this is how we group animals and how we study animals. Scientists classified the animals into different groups. They classified the animals on the base of their skeleton and on the base of their body temperature. How they divided the animal on the base of skeleton? Mostly when we discuss about the skeleton of animals, there are 2 types of skeleton: exo and endoskeleton. So the animals who are having exoskeleton will be placed in one group, and the animals who are having endoskeleton will be placed in another group, right? So in the same manners, based on body temperature, there are 2 different types of animals. One group is cold-blooded and the other group is warm-blooded. So either the animal you are studying is cold-blooded or warm-blooded. We have placed those animals in different groups, right? For today's lesson, you have to learn that why is it necessary to group the animals and how scientists classified the animals into different groups. You have to learn this, right? We'll discuss in details about how animals are divided based on their skeleton and body temperature. It's all for your today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.